Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be going over my Glowforge setup. So this is going to be kind of like a vlog style video here, and I may do these in the future because you've probably been wondering why I haven't been posting as much these past few weeks. I've actually been trying to take what I have here and put it out in my garage or shed. I'm actually redoing the entire shed. We got insulation in, walls up, the whole ceiling up with the insulation in the ceiling as well. Now all I need to do is add some lights, a new garage door, and then I've got an actual air conditioner unit out there too, just like this one, a little mini split unit. So I'm trying to free up this room in the house, so I just wanted to show you guys what I have so far, because I usually get questions of what your setup looks like. And in the future, when I get the garage done and all the Glowforges out there, I'll go ahead and show you guys a video of that as well. Right now I'm working on getting Wi-Fi to be able to reach out there as well. So just a heads up on that, that may be a little while. And I think I may actually just test one of the Glowforges out there in the meantime, just to make sure it survives the winter, because these mini split units can heat as well. But I just want to be safe, have one to test out, and then we'll go from there and put the rest out there. So let's go ahead and jump into the setup here. For those who were actually curious, this table here is the actual table that I showed in that $65 table that can hold 2 Glowforges. And when I say hold 2 Glowforges, obviously you're going to want this extra space so you can have a laptop you can actually use for your Glowforge itself. This one is the Glowforge Basic. I have that on top, and then there's a second row to this table underneath that is the Glowforge Basic. So I have plenty of room to be able to swing the door open underneath with a few modifications that I did. And in that video I show the modifications. So if you want to make your own, you can buy this pre-cut from Menards. It's like $65. It's a pretty good deal. And then I have this actual unit, or this whole table is in the middle of the room, so I can use my pass-through slot back here. So as you can see, probably right there is my pass-through slot. So I can just feed that in and out of the entire about 4-foot section. Obviously, if I get this out in the garage or tool shed, it's going to be a lot longer. So I'm kind of excited for that. I can actually do like 8-foot sheets at that point. So it'll be pretty cool to see how big of a project I can get at that point. A lot of people have been asking about this shelving unit that I posted in a photo the other day. The shelving unit is actually from Menards as well. It's actually 2 combined into one. I kind of did like my own custom take on it. So when you buy the shelving unit, the tube is going to be from here to here. What I did is I just cut those tubes in half and I combined 2 units together with half the size of the tubes. So that's how you come up with this. I'm not sure how much it was anymore. I think combined it was like $60, but I could be wrong. I'll go ahead and throw a link to Menards in the description below if I can find it. And I'll also look for an Amazon one too, just in case you don't have a Menards in your area. But I highly recommend that. It fits the material almost perfectly. The corners kind of hang off the edge if you don't center it, but that's okay. I can actually get all of my materials within arm's length here. I've got like my masking tape. You can grab anything that you need. I've got an entire wooden box full of those pin or honeycomb trays. That's what they're called. The honeycomb tray pins, I should say. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all within arm's reach. It's still out of the way of my pass-through slot right here. So it works out perfectly for me. And then on this side over here that's out of the way, I just have a TV hanging on the wall. That way you can actually watch TV while your Glowforge goes if you don't leave the room. If you do leave the room, I do have a backup little wise cam here that I just plop on top like that, and I can monitor it for you, and I just watch it on my phone while I go downstairs really quick. So that's pretty much it. That's the entire layout here. And as you can see right here, I've got my little microphone and my laptop. This is the laptop and microphone that I use for like my tutorials for the Glowforge or how to use the Glowforge. So if you were curious how I had that set up, That's my setup for that. And then if you can tell, I have an extra scrap piece from one of those little tile holders that I use as a mouse pad here. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you want to see something else that you didn't see in this project, especially like the Glowforge basic that's underneath here, you can check out that other video that shows the Glowforge basic. And then right behind the table, I do have the Glowforge filter back there as well. That's hooked up to my basic, and then the Pro is hooked up to the external fan that goes out the window. So if you were curious how I was venting both of these in the middle of the room, they both one shoots directly back to the filter, and one shoots directly to the right of the room, which there's a window right there. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you want to see like kind of more of a vlog type thing where I'm creating stuff, I thought that'd be kind of a good path to go. If you don't want that and you want more of just like the tutorial videos, let me know and we'll catch you guys next time.